So today we are going to be working on the blue car officially again. Just kind of, we're trying to diagnose what is actually wrong with it, because there are obviously a couple things. First off, we're going to look at is the fuel injector. There's actually a fuel injector that's like the hose is cracked and there's fuel coming out of it and sitting on the block. So we're going to replace that one. And then Monday, unfortunately, it didn't come in today. There's a rubber boot that we're gonna replace. I'll show you guys here in a second. And then we'll get that all done, and then we'll see if it starts any better. Hopefully it does. If so, we know where to go from there. But today was just the attempt of trying to get the fuel injector out, which is gonna be a pain in the ass because of how Nissan decided to do their stuff. So yeah, as you can see, there's just a lot of wires that we're gonna have to mess with. So this is the boot that's coming in. I'm sure you guys have seen it. It's literally falling apart and held together by just nothing right now. So this is the fuel injector we have to take out, and then all that stuff has to come with it. Hopefully we're not gonna have to take off the whole fuel rail, because that's a whole pain in the ass. And if we take it off, I'm not putting it back on. We're putting a different one on. But so we're gonna try to get this out, lift it up, and see if we can get the new fuel injector in there and see how that goes.
On a bullshit, like and it's cracked.
Yeah,
Ooh, dude.
yeah, that's what I wanted to record, honestly. Okay, so we're fucked. This is the fuel injector that we are going to replace. We're gonna replace them all now that we've looked at them. This is the one I wanted to replace. We're gonna need a new holder, I guess, because it's destroyed.
Yeah, but this all.
Yeah, I know.
The injector comes with all of this. It's right over there. It's identical.
No, it doesn't come with this.
Let me see.
There's the injector, and then so this is the old injector. Yeah, it doesn't come with that ring. So hopefully O'Reilly's has them. But yeah, so that's
or Zone.
Yeah.
Zone would be better.
So he wanted to do a comparison, which I agree with. Old one, tell black.
Broke old shit. Cool new shit.
Yeah, I can tell how the insides are.
It's completely different. I mean, it's an entire upgrade. It's all metal as opposed to plastic. You know, probably 40 some odd year old, almost as old as my beard, plastic bullshit. So we do need to do one of these. Hopefully that they are available at the local places. If not, we fucked.
Yeah, I guess we're gonna have to do it. Moment. Yeah, we're gonna have to finish this next week, but we'll get as far as we can. Hopefully they have them. So GG's. Update. So no one in the universe has that part. So
in stock.
We're gonna make our own.
We're gonna do some sketchy shit.
So we're gonna just, I mean, honestly, just kind of hopefully JB weld it together and make sure that works.
Making sure that the injector works, and if the injector's the right thing, we'll buy the whole kit.
Yeah.
Because those are probably, in all reality, they're probably either the original injectors or they're somewhere in the vicinity of 20 years old.
All right, so we are going to do this the worst, dumbest, stupidest way possible. But it's gonna work. Yes. So typically you want to A, loosen the fuel rail so you lift it up. B, take off the fuel rail and do it that way. We're gonna do option C, neither. We're gonna attempt to put it in like this. There's a little wiggle room to the side. We're just gonna slide it in, cut the hose, ship it up there, and be done. So right now, what we're doing is we're looking where we wanna cut it. And it looks like, to make it safe, we wanna cut it, there's a 6 on the thing.
There.
Yeah, that we wanna cut it at. So I think that's where we're gonna cut it. Because it seems a little long, but it's easier to cut more off than it is to cut more back on.
And I forgot my hose stretcher.
God damn it, you're here for one fucking thing. So that's what we're gonna do.
ready, because if I fucking break this, this will in all probability go that way at a high velocity.
All right.
So this is gonna take 2 sets of hands. I know I take up a lot of space. So what I'm gonna try to do is I'm gonna try gently to pry the fuel line back towards us.
Right.
And then as I do that, you try to move the, what's this thing again?
Injector
over. And
Because as soon as we get it seated, we can twist it around and get it situated.
this is only a fucking irreplaceable part. We're about to put way too much. Here we go. You ready?
Yep.
It's not moving. Yes, it is.
You do it.
Okay. Good?
Kind of. It just needs to be centered.
All right, release. And it's in the actual.
Huzzah! Nothing exploded!
Not yet.
Shit. Oh, yeah. Push down a little more. Yeah, all right, we're going in.
Okay.
So, just so you guys can see, we're double screwing it. Okay.
Go ahead with that one. I was just trying to help.
Yep.
The clip that holds the fuel rail on, that holds the hose onto the thing, like this clip. Forgot to put it on.
You mean that one right there?
Damn it.
No, before we were talking about.
Yeah, we literally.
Fuck that up today.
No, I was like, we're not fucking that up because we would have to take it off and put it back on.
And after seeing the struggle with.
Can we get this on that one?
No. It's too tight.
I didn't want to say. Oh, also, this one's destroyed too.
Yeah, I see that.
So, all the other ones look fine from this side. So I guess all we're doing is twisting it on there, and we are going. I'll get back to you guys when we're starting it up, or if something else breaks. All right. Well, here's the start with the new fuel injector. See what she does. All right, I kind of expected that. Let's check some stuff real quick. I need a light. I am not seeing gas come out of there. So that's good.
Completely dry.
Yep, that's good news. All right, it probably needs prime for a little bit, so we're gonna dick around. Actually, I'm gonna throw the dangerous stuff in there.
Go juice. Make sure you get the fire extinguisher, because
It's in the.
last time they caught it on fire!
It's in the car, I think.
I think it's on the workbench in there. That's the last bit.
Yep. We did catch it on fire. We didn't get it on video, but it was caught on fire for a second. So, safety first. Fun shit also first. Fucking sprayed in there. No, you're gonna have to do it upside down.
So spray a little bit and then spray it upside down. Just spray it randomly in the shop.
So,
Spray it that way. Just, that's it. Now you're prime. You can feel lifting it upside down. Alright.
whoa, now I'm scared. Uh-oh. A little more.
I'm going when you spray it.
Okay, let's see if we can put the fuel filter on, or the air filter on. See if that does anything, because the team seemed to want it to start better last time.
Okay.
So,
Okie dokie.
all right, air filter on. And
You definitely need to film my fat ass struggling to get in here.
and let's fucking see if she'll start. Okay. So, I mean, there's no gas coming out, so we're good there. That was achieved. Now we're just gonna wait for the boot to come in and replace that.
Spinning a lot better.
So much better. Okay, so this is week, insert week here, trying to get this thing started. So originally the boot, we knew it was a problem for a long ass time because it's falling apart.
It's the original one. We tried covering it with bed liner. Didn't work, still fell apart, so.
Finally got a new one after too long. So we're gonna throw this on there and hopefully it'll give us a better indication what's actually wrong.
Right.
So that way it's getting the right.
Isn't exactly quite the right one, but it's the only one out there. There's 3 different spots for hoses, and we plugged one of them with a screw. Thought you'd like that.
Yeah.
So we're gonna put it on, see if it fixes, or at least allows us to get it started.
Yeah, I mean, that's all we really need, so. Woo!
Here we go. What's up, everybody?
Shit.
Yeah.
So all the stuff that you've seen us do to the 280, the fuel injector, new coil,
Air intake.
the air intake, the new fuel filter,
Yep.
new lines for the regulator, all that fun
2
stuff.
sets of spark plugs.
Kind of mute. Not really.
Moot.
Is the issue, but this is the issue. This is the distributor, the whole ass distributor
Whole distributor.
for the car.
Yep.
I didn't get a video because someone else was holding on to it, but the actual rotor is able to move.
It rocked on top. There's a bearing in there that's gone bad.
Yeah, there's a couple beads in there. So this is gonna have to be replaced.
Yep.
It's not available at the moment, so we're gonna have to make that its own little video.
We're gonna try to get it rebuilt, and if that doesn't work, we're gonna spend a little bit of money and maybe get something.
A lot of bit of money.
A lot of bit of money, and get something a little aftermarket.
So,
Lesson learned: if you're gonna pull a car out of the woods, it's gonna cost a lot of fucking money.
make sure it's out of gear. I didn't know.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I don't think it being out of gear. Oh yeah.
So it's gonna be hard to tell, but this is movable, like up and down. That's not supposed to
do
happen.
that. Nope. Nope. Nope.
So this is 100% the problem. Why it hasn't been starting. The problem. There's probably other problems. I mean, hell, it's a old ass car.
This right now is an anti-wheelie device. Anti-wheelieinator.
3,000. So
Yeah.
we're gonna get that replaced. So see you guys in the next video. Like and subscribe.